The deadly gamble, quitting fentanyl cold turkey. Fentanyl, a name you've likely heard, but do you truly understand its power? It's a drug that saves lives, but also one that claims them. In today's video, we'll uncover the truths about fentanyl, how it works, why it's dangerous, and what can be done to overcome its grip. Let's dive in.
Chapter 1. What is fentanyl? Fentanyl is one of the most powerful synthetic opioids known, 50 to 100 times stronger than morphine. Unlike opioids derived directly from the opium poppy,
fentanyl is created in labs, making it a controlled yet potent pain reliever. When used legally, fentanyl treats severe pain, like post-surgical discomfort or chronic conditions.
but illegally made fentanyl has become a major player in the opioid crisis. On the streets, fentanyl takes many names: a pace, China girl, and even dance fever. It's often sold in powders, pills, or nasal sprays.
Just 2 milligrams, the size of a few grains of salt, can be lethal. Due to its potency, even a slight miscalculation in dosage can be fatal.
Dealers mix it into drugs like heroin or cocaine, making it cheaper, often without users knowing. This makes every dose a deadly gamble.
Here's the risk. People unknowingly taking fentanyl-laced drugs are at a high risk of overdose because their bodies can't handle such potent opioids.
According to the Recovery Research Institute, only 1.2% to 2.2% of opioid users achieve recovery within 5 years. That's how tight this drug's grip can be.
Chapter 2. Fentanyl's effects on the body. So, what does fentanyl do to the body? It interacts with opioid receptors in the brain, producing effects like pain relief, relaxation, and euphoria.
But it comes with a cost, confusion, dizziness, and the most dangerous effect, respiratory depression, where your breathing slows to a life-threatening level.
Overdosing on fentanyl can lead to stupor, coma, and even death. It's a silent killer claiming lives in mere moments.
Chapter 3. The dangers of going cold turkey. You've probably heard the phrase going cold turkey. It means quitting a substance suddenly without help.
But with fentanyl, that's not just tough, it's dangerous. Quitting fentanyl cold turkey triggers severe withdrawal symptoms, muscle pain, nausea, and relentless cravings.
These can lead to relapse, which is especially risky. Your body might not tolerate the same dose, leading to an overdose. That's why medical support is crucial. Withdrawal can be managed safely under professional care.
Chapter 4. Behavioral changes in addiction. Addiction doesn't just affect the body, it changes behavior.
People addicted to fentanyl may show compulsive drug-seeking, mood swings, and neglect responsibilities. These behaviors might seem shocking, but they're symptoms of a brain rewired by addiction.
Chapter 5. Overcoming fentanyl addiction. Here's the good news. Recovery is possible. Treatment often includes medications like methadone or buprenorphine to manage withdrawal and cravings, and naltrexone to block opioid effects.
Behavioral therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy and motivational interviewing help individuals rebuild their lives.
Support groups like Narcotics Anonymous offer the community and accountability needed to stay on track.
Chapter 6, Key Takeaways. Fentanyl is a double-edged sword, a life-saving medication when used correctly, but a deadly weapon in the wrong hands.
The opioid crisis is real, but with awareness, support, and treatment, lives can be saved.
Remember, knowledge is power. Like, share, and subscribe to spread the word. And let's work together to create a safer, healthier world.